of mankind. They've changed many things I can't define. Occasions frighten, flutter your mind. Incense and peppermints, the color of time. Who cares what games we choose? Little to win, but nothing to lose. Incense and peppermints, meaningless sounds. Turn on, tune in, turn your eyes around. Look what you saw, look what you saw. Yeah, yeah. Look what you saw, look what you saw. Yeah, yeah, yeah. To divide the cockeyed world in two. Throw your pride to one side, the least you can do. Beatniks and politics, nothing is new. A yardstick for lunatics, one point of view. Who cares what games we choose? Little to win, but nothing to lose. Your mind, incense and peppermints, the color of time. Who cares what games we choose? Little to win, but nothing to lose. Incense, peppermints, incense, peppermints.
Did you make that record?
Oh, about 7 months ago.
A changed clothes. For most people across the country, it's a fairly new record. For those of us here in Los Angeles, we've been hearing it for 7 months. Right. It's one of those unusual things. I never realized how different music sounds until you hear it at home on a stereo phonograph as opposed to a little transistor radio or in your car. Let me recommend something to you. This is a stereo album, or in monaural, either way. The Incense and Peppermints album by the Strawberry Alarm Clock. This is a beauty. Why are there so few records, sides on one side number one?
You mean few songs?
Songs, yeah.
Well, we have an 8.5-minute song on the first side called The World's on Fire, which takes up, well, you know, about a place of about...
Takes up a lot of grooves is what you're trying to say. Why is it that long things are now very popular? Why is everybody making long things?
Well, I think that it's really to please the minority, well, I wouldn't say the minority, but the underground people, I would say. Because, see, when you make a hit record, it has to be short and sweet and to the point. But on an album, you're allowed, you could be more lenient with your time, and you could say more in the longer time, obviously.
Does it please you to do a long selection versus a short one?
Yeah, because it gives people, you know, people like to listen to something, and if it's real short, and a song like this wouldn't be any good short.
You know, everybody thinks we're going to do the long thing now, which we're not. No, as a matter of fact, there is one in here that's one of my... I have two special favorites, a thing called Rainy Day Mushroom Pillow, and the other one, of course, which is Birds in My Tree, which is a comparatively short one, gentlemen. Would you be kind enough to?